Just like some of your favorite online retailers, Heckler now gives you the ability to place its products right where you need them. Virtually, that is. With the new augmented reality feature on the website, you can place any of its products on the desk, in your lobby, or in your meeting spaces. Using an iPhone or iPad, you can transport at full scale any of their carts, credenzas, or mounts into your client's environment. Works with iOS 12 or later. Let's see how it works. To get started, all you have to do is select the product image you wish to view in AR. Before the camera locates the surface for scale, it might ask you to move the iPad back and forth or to add more lighting. Once the camera locates the surface, it virtually places a 3D version of the object where you want it. You have the ability to adjust the size, move it around on screen, or rotate it to see a 360 view. If you like where it looks, just touch the screen and tap the snapshot button to save it to your photos. One of the features I find the coolest about using this augmented reality software is that when you place the product virtually, you can still see that there's nothing on the wall or table itself. It's only there through the screen and it looks very real. This mount I was especially excited to try out with AR because later this month I will be physically mounting it and filming the process, so stay tuned for that video in the upcoming weeks. To round out the collection for augmented reality products, we'll show what a Heckler Credenza would look like in your office space. Leave a comment for which products you're excited to try out and tag us in your video or submit your install pics. And stay tuned for more mounting videos.